Welcome to the ultimate blueprint for immigrants, non-residents, and beginners on how to build credit in the U.S. with no credit history. The blank slate challenge is that nearly 49 million U.S. adults are credit invisible. Your home country credit history does not automatically transfer. The good news is that you don't need to be a U.S. citizen to build a top-tier credit score. Alternative data and global transfer programs are changing the rules. Step 1 is establishing your financial identity. You'll need either an SSN, a social security number, or an ITIN, an individual taxpayer ID. An ITIN is a great starting point, and if you get an SSN later, your entire credit history transfers over automatically. The anatomy of a credit score is critical. Focus on the top 65%, which includes payment history and credit utilization. Never miss a payment, and keep balances below 30% of your limit. Start today, as time is your biggest asset. Tool 1 is secured credit cards. You provide a refundable cash deposit, which becomes your locked credit limit. Use it normally. And on-time payments are reported. After 6 to 12 months of good behavior, you can upgrade to an unsecured card. Tool 2 is credit builder loans. A lender locks a small amount in a savings account. You make small monthly payments, which build positive installment history. Once fully paid, the cash unlocks, building both credit and savings. Choosing the right starter tool depends on your needs. Secured cards require an upfront cash deposit and are revolving credit, best for small daily expenses. Builder loans require no upfront cash and are installment credit, best for forced savings and building your credit mix. Tool 3 is authorized user or piggybacking. A trusted person adds you to their old, well-managed account. Their positive history is transferred to your report, but be aware of the risk if they miss a payment or max out their card. Tool 4 is cash flow underwriting. Lenders now use alternative data like bank account health and rent payments. Use rent reporting services to turn your rent into a powerful, credit-building trade line without going into debt. The foundation roadmap, months 1 to 2, starts with applying for your ITIN or SSN. Then, open a U.S. checking account. Finally, apply for one secured credit card. The golden rule is to put one small recurring subscription on the card, set up autopay in full, and then put the card away. The 700 benchmark roadmap, months 3 to 6, is crucial. Keep your utilization under 10% and pay the balance in full, 3 days before the due date. At month 6, FICO generates your first official score. With flawless history, debuting with a 730 to 750 score is entirely possible. Level up your business credit. For entrepreneurs, personal and business credit are separate systems. Personal credit uses your SSN ITIN, while business credit is tracked by Dun & Bradstreet using your EIN. Building business credit protects personal assets and unlocks business funding. Follow the 5 golden rules. Treat it like a debit card. Pay in full always. Stay under 30% utilization. Patience is profit by spacing out applications and monitor annually for errors. Building credit is a mechanical process. By leveraging an ITIN, starting with a secured card, controlling utilization, and automating payments, you can achieve a top-tier 700-plus credit score in under a year. Grab your blueprint and open your first account today.